Hi guys! Welcome back to Mommy V's Garden. 6 days ago po, nag-post ako about our quick visit sa Bio Research, Bio Pigeons. I accompanied my husband to go there kasi meron siyang titignan na kalapati. And I took the opportunity na kuhanan ko ng video, yung area nila. And that's what I uploaded dun sa video ko titled Quick Visit sa Bio Research, Bio Pigeons. And 2 days ago, medyo exciting lang po. 2 days ago, I received a reply dun sa post ko coming from Bio Research, Bio Pigeons, yung pinaka-manager nila, si Mr. Allen, asking me or giving me a personal invitation or giving us, ako at yung husband ko, a personal invitation to visit their office once again. Kasi ang ganda po talaga ng area nila. There are different parang departments na pwedeng i-showcase. And let me share with you yung content ng personal invitation nila. So this I received 2 days ago dun sa pinost ko nga na first upload ko. Good day. Here is our personal invitation. Please visit us at Bio Pigeon Sukat. We're open daily from 8 to 5 p.m. We will personally tour you around. So, itutour nila kami dun sa kanilang pigeon showroom, sa supply supermarket, pigeon seminar, dining hall, dining hall, vlogger station. Pinakita ko briefly dun sa unang video ko yung kanilang vlogger station. They have a very nice, they have a very beautiful area for the vloggers. Currently they have like 400 plus vloggers, and I think what prompted them to send me the invitation or send us the invitation is kasi we had a chat with Mr. Allen, tapos nabanggit ko na I do vlogging also. And what's more exciting, guys, is yesterday I received a package from them. So, join me as I do the unboxing. Hindi ko pa alam kung anong laman nitong pinadala nila sa akin, but I wanna share the unboxing with you. So, ito yung na-receive ko na parcel. Yesterday from JRS. So, under my name and coming from Bio Research. Okay, so, buksan natin. Natin guys kung ano yung laman. Okay. There! Okay. So, tingnan natin. There are lang nga. Yan. Tapos, merong notes sa loob. So, let me read this to you. Yan po. So, basahin ko lang po yung nakalagay dito sa note nila. Congratulations, you've been personally selected by our foreign suppliers as a recipient of our Bio Pigeons Baseball Cup. Ito po yung kanilang baseball cup. Yan. Yan. And t-shirt. So, may t-shirt pong kasama yung kanilang pinadala. So, let me just open this one. Sana kasya. Pag hindi po kasya sa akin, pwede rin naman sa husband ko or sa anak ko. And, so, ito yung t-shirt na kanilang pinadala. This is the front. Ayan yung front. And ito yung sa likod. Medium size. Medium. So, I think kasya naman to. So, I have the baseball cap. Then, I have the shirt. Tapos, meron pa pong isa. Let's see kung ano to. Wow! Ayan. Since kailangan tayong mag-observe ng safety protocol, so meron din siyang kasamang face mask. Wow! Nice! Yan. Ayan po. Eksakto. Pinatong ko siya. Pero syempre lalabahan pa natin to. Pinatong ko lang just to check kung kasya. And yan. Eksaktong-eksakto ang size for me. Wow! Daddy, parang mas bagay sa'yo itong cup. Parang mas bagay po sa asawa ko yung cup. Pero yan. And yan. Testingin na natin lahat. There you go. Thank you, Bio Research, Bio Pigeon. See you soon. Bye!